All right, today I'm going to show you how to quickly put together a fun little insect investigator kit. Now I was lucky enough, I happened to be in the dollar store the other day and they had all these nice little kind of put together little tools and things that are really would make for an awesome little insect investigator kit. So I just got those to kind of share with you some of the things that I feel will be important to put in your kit. First, and very importantly, you're going to need a little bitty notebook and a pen that you're going to carry around with you. This is great to document when and where, what time of the year, all those things of where you got or discovered your insects. This was also at the dollar store. It's a really nice big net. You could catch flying insects really well. There's also some important things in here. Magnifying glasses, little containers to collect your insects. Remember, we're going to do so gently and we're going to release them after we kind of take down some information about them. Tweezers, these are really nice for getting small insects if you can do so gently without smashing or hurting them. And like I said, there's little tiny small nets, more containers. Again, these are really nice, cute little, made for insect collecting, but you can use a little Tupperware, pretty much anything. This is actually, I just saw this on the way in here. It's just an old container I held on to one day. Something arrived in the mail in it, and I just thought it was cool. You could use this to capture things. Yeah, really fun. Get out there, find some insects, do so without harming them as best you can. Log the information. Again, you can also take pictures with your phone, get online, and discover what you're looking at. There's also online, I don't know the exact details, you can actually share your discoveries, and it helps folks and scientists out there keep track of where different pollinators and different insects are in the world. All right, thanks, have fun, and enjoy your insect investigator kit.